Daily use phrasal verbs with examples. Blackout. To faint, lose consciousness. Jessica fell in the parking lot and blacked out. Drag on. To last longer than expected. The suspect's trial dragged on longer than we had expected. Focus on. To concentrate on something. Focus on small goals instead of big ones. Get away. To leave or escape from a person or place. I think we should get away for the weekend. Clam up. To refuse to speak. When the police started asking questions, the suspect clammed up. Hand out. To give out something to appropriate individuals. Peter volunteered at the shelter where he handed out warm clothes. End in. To make something finish or stop. Her marriage ended in divorce. Iron out. To resolve by discussion, eliminate differences. The two countries met at the conference to iron out their differences. Look after. Take care of someone or something. We need to look after our planet by recycling. Watch out. To be careful because of possible danger or trouble. Watch out. There's a dog in the road. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.